This tutorial demonstrates how to execute a generated test procedure. To be able to execute a generated test procedure, a system under test must be available in the test environment. In this tutorial, we will use RTTester to generate a simulation of the system under test from the test model. Of course, this way we will not be able to find errors in the generated system under test, because both the test and the system under test are generated from the same model. For this tutorial to demonstrate the functionality of model-based testing within Compass, it is sufficient to work with the simulated system under test. To create a system under test simulation, please copy the template test procedure and name it after your simulation. Please do not use spaces in the name of your simulation. Open the configuration editor for your simulation by double-clicking the configuration.csv file. Choose the complete system under test to be simulated. Save your changes and close the configuration editor. Select the Generate Simulation action from the context menu, the main menu, or the toolbar. The action is only active if a test procedure is selected in the test generation context. Information about the generation process is displayed in the console view and the progress view. After successfully generating the simulation, the test procedure now can be executed in the test execution context. Executing a test procedure consists of the steps compiling, running, replaying, and documenting the test procedure. Each of these actions can be triggered using the pop-up menu, the RTT-MBT menu, or the toolbar. Status information for each action is given in the console view and the progress view. After the test procedure has been executed, the execution results must be analyzed. The file verdict.txt in the test data directory of the test procedure in the test execution context provides information about the verdict of the test procedure execution. In this case, the verdict of the test procedure is passed. For more information about the verdict of RTTester test results, please refer to the RTTester documentation. The signals.json file in the model directory of the test procedure in the generation context contains information about the outputs of the system under test during the test execution compared to the expected outputs. This closes the tutorial of executing a test procedure.